clutch! Come in clutch, Kekleon! You did not come in clutch, fuck you! God damn it. That's not good. I mean, maybe we'll be able to find one at Waterfall Cave, but... Holy shit! Holy shit! Hang on. Do you know how lucky that is? Holy shit, that is so fucking lucky. Hang on. I have some shit I can sell. I'll sell some shit. Hold on. Can we get up to fucking 9K? Shit. Hang on. We're gonna sell literally everything we don't need to use. Okay. We can sell... We can sell this. We can sell that. Buy my shit! Oh my god, that was only 1K. Holy shit, wait, oh no. Blizzard is so fucking useful. I need Blizzard. I would never cheat. Sell chat. Nah, I can't. I'm sorry. It's not worth. Chat's only worth like 2 gold. I'm kidding. Chat is priceless. I can't. Wait, okay, how much money do I have right now? I have 4.4K. Oh, fuck. Sell you for... You're selling me for free? Hang on. The fuck? Oh my god, I might actually have to fucking... I don't know how much gummies are worth. I could sell the gummies. I don't want to sell... Pretty sure Reviser Seed's not really worth anything. You could sell one of our Reviver Seeds. I don't actually know how much the gummies are worth. We're gonna have to see. No. Gummies are worth 50. Oh my god, they're not even worth that much. Holy shit. Bro, there's no way I'm gonna be able to make 9K. Help! Oh, I want it! Oh, why is it so expensive? They only sell for 80 when you have to buy them for 800, yeah. Is there... Oh god, what do I do? Sell your entire storage? I don't even know if that would make 9K even if I sold everything. No, we can. Eevee can learn Blizzard. Well, it's just... Wait.
Blizzard font, crying face.
Eevee can't learn Blizzard? Who the fuck can learn Blizzard? No, I swear Eevee can learn Blizzard! Oh my god. It's not Eevee. I'm thinking of fucking Skitty. I'm thinking of fucking Skitty! What the fuck? Why did I sell all those gummies? Chat, okay.
Joining the Blizzard Fund.
Chat? In what universe does fucking Skitty learn Blizzard? Mystery Dungeon is different! Mystery Dungeon is different! Nah, it's fine. We didn't actually lose anything that important.